Hey there, gardening enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into all things green and beautiful. Today, we're going to share some gardening hacks and time-saving tips that will make your gardening journey a breeze. Are you ready to take your gardening game to the next level? Let's get started. 1. Household items to the rescue. Did you know that you can repurpose everyday items from your home for gardening? Yep, that's right. Take a look at this. A plastic bottle can make a handy watering can for your plants. Just poke some holes in the cap, fill it with water, and voila! You've got an instant watering solution. And what about these old socks? Don't toss them out just yet. Cut them up and use them as plant ties. Flexible and perfect for securing delicate stems. 2. Watering wonders. Watering your garden efficiently is key to saving time and water. Instead of watering from above, try a drip irrigation system or a soaker hose. These methods deliver water directly to the roots, reducing waste and ensuring your plants get exactly what they need. Another great tip is to collect rainwater in a barrel. It's free, eco-friendly, and perfect for watering your garden without using tap water. 3. Quick garden maintenance strategies. Maintaining a garden doesn't have to be a daunting task. With the right strategies, you can keep your garden looking beautiful without spending hours on end. One of the best time-saving hacks is to use mulch. It helps retain moisture, suppresses weeds, and adds nutrients to the soil. Plus, it gives your garden a neat and tidy appearance. And don't forget to wear gloves. Not only do they protect your hands, but they also make tasks like weeding and pruning much easier and faster. So there you have it, folks. These gardening hacks and time-saving tips are sure to make your gardening experience more enjoyable and efficient. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, these tricks will help you create a beautiful and thriving garden without all the hassle. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy gardening!